Hey guys, Justin here with Beach City Brokers. Today I'm in the Lower Riviera of Hollywood Riviera. I'm super excited to share this new listing that I have coming up with you. It's mainly a one-level house with about 2,900 square feet on the main level. It has fantastic ocean views. It has an elevator that takes you downstairs to the garage, wine room, so it's a really special house. I think you're gonna love it. You just don't see properties like this very often. We're doing a open house this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday we're gonna do some live music and some drinks and food, so if you're out and about, come by. Music's from 3:30 to 5:30 and the open house is from 12 to 6. Come visit and check out the house in person. Hope you enjoyed this little video tour and look forward to seeing you.